The process of installing a windlass on a smaller vessel, such as the Grand 650, can be straightforward with the right equipment. The compact Sleipner Midi windlass is an ideal choice due to its adjustable fastening bracket, which rotates a full 360 degrees to accommodate any angle needed during installation. When selecting your installation components, you have a variety of options including different anchors, anchor rollers, and anchor line guides to ensure the best fit for your boat. Consulting with a professional dealer or installer is highly recommended to secure an optimal installation package tailored for your boat. Prior to beginning the installation, it is crucial to read the instruction manual thoroughly to fully understand the process. When positioning the windlass motor, place it as high as possible. This positioning allows the anchor to drop freely by its own weight and ensures there is ample room below for the leaded rope, preventing entanglement. It is essential that the anchor line aligns straight through the anchor roller. If the installation surface lacks thickness, add a reinforcing plate for increased stability. Choose a dry, secure location for the motor controller. The circuit breaker should be easily reachable since it needs to be switched off whenever the windlass is not in operation. For this specific installation, the through hull line guide has been custom made to match the Midi, allowing for a direct installation into the windlass bracket. Follow the steps in the manual to adjust the sensor and line guide on the motor properly. Always turn off the main power switch before performing any electrical work. Install the battery cables from the battery to the windlass, passing through the circuit breaker and motor controller. Then, connect the auto stop sensor and the control panel signal cable to the motor controller, and find a suitable spot for the control panel on the dashboard. In this case, an optional remote control has been installed, offering the convenience of distancing the boat from the shore remotely, which enhances safety. Turn the power on and configure the motor controller to the correct windlass model. Once all hardware is correctly installed, it's time to arrange the anchor line. Stop reeling in the rope at the appropriate height for the anchor's rinsing position, ensuring it's not too low to prevent the anchor from swinging into the hull or propeller. It should be low enough to clean most of the anchor. Mark the rope just below the inductive sensor, and double-click the panel or remote to engage the windlass at a reduced force and speed for reeling in the remainder of the rope. Make another mark on the rope. Also make sure that the end of the rope is secured to the boat. Next, release a section of the rope to attach the auto stop rings. Note that these rings require regular inspection and periodic replacement due to wear from the line wheel. Don't forget to install a safety line as well, as the anchor must be secured when not in active use. The final step is to complete the checklist to ensure everything is in order. Congratulations on the successful installation of your windlass.